We really set out to think about some of the science behind recognition and looking at the fact that having people feel like they're recognized and valued and seen for the great work they do, that translates to the bottom line.
The Center of Excellence, or the COE, is Awardco's strategic investment in helping organizations to not only implement recognition software, but really realize recognition success. There's an opportunity to partner with these customers and these prospects and make sure that the recognition strategy is scalable, that it's sustainable, and that it can drive cultural and business outcomes.
For us, the commitment is that we can be thought partners to any challenges they have, whether that's with setting up the strategy or designing the budget. We are there and available to provide support and consultation to make sure you have the best recognition program that you can have.
We believe in the power of the proven. We have practitioners that have stood up recognition strategies at Fortune 500 companies. We are really bringing forward strategies and recommendations that are rooted in truth. So if you're not thinking about recognition already, we would love to partner with you. Think about how you can bring a recognition strategy to life in your organization. It really brings to life the values and the things that are top of mind.
The biggest joy for me as a COE member is to be able to give people who are in that situation support and assurance that this is going to work. This program is going to change your culture. And to have that come to fruition and actually see that implementation successful, it's really, really satisfying, both on a personal level, but also on a business level.